Welcome and hello. This is a video tutorial on HY-8, and in this lesson, we're going to learn how to download and install the program. So if you already have the program downloaded and installed, feel free to advance to the next video. But if you haven't, you're in the right place. All right, in the video description, I'm going to leave the download link, which is this page that you're seeing right here. This is the main location to download the program. HY-8 Culvert Hydraulic Analysis Program automates culvert hydraulic computations utilizing a number of essential features that make culvert analysis and design easier. So, if you're a water resources engineer like I am, then you're probably going to cross paths with a culvert and culvert design, and learning the HY-8 Culvert Analysis Program would be helpful for you. All right, so to download the program, go ahead and go to this website right here that I have linked in the description. If for whatever reason it's a different link when you're watching this video, just go ahead and go to Google, type in something like HY-8 download, and then the first link right here, Federal Highway Administration. This is the page that I was just on, and boom, here we are at. This is free software that's provided by the Federal Highway Administration, and we are going to download it right now. So go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and it looks like this is the most recent version at the time of this recording, version 8.0.1.2. If you scroll down further, you can see earlier versions and then some of the bug fixes that have been made. So if you're watching this in the future, you're probably looking at a more recent version number, and that's fine. The information covered in this video and this playlist will probably all be correct and consistent with future versions as well, short of any new features that have been added. Okay, so here's the download link. I'm just going to go ahead and single left click and then let that download. All right, so that downloaded for me. It's on my desktop right over here. I'm just going to go right click and extract all. Okay, and then we'll just click extract. Very cool. So here is the file. Let's see what we have here. Here's the executable. Just do a single left click to get this installation started. Okay, so you may get this pop up on your screen. You have a button that says don't run, but we do want to install this. So click on more info. I have a Windows 11 operating system in case that matters. And then click on run anyway. And then that should begin the install. Okay, my screen turned off for a moment. It basically said, do I want to allow the software to take control of my machine? I said yes. Now I'm at this dialog box right here. So welcome to the wizard. Just go ahead and click next. This is where on my machine it's going to install. I'll click next and then go ahead and click install. Okay. Continue the installation. Yes. Okay, it looks like it's complete. That looks good. Click finish. All right, so let's search for that program, HY-8. There it is. Let's go ahead and open it up just to make sure it's up and running. All right, looks like we're good here. Continue. And this is the actual data interface for inputting some culvert data. We'll talk about that in a later lesson. The last thing I want to mention in this video is the user's manual and documentation can be found by clicking on the Help menu and then HY-8 Help right here. That opens up a PDF file. And this right here is the first page of the user's manual for the Federal Highway Administration's HY-8 Culvert Analysis Program. We're going to be using this document here. If you follow along in the future video lessons in this playlist, there's also a few other documents here like a HY-8 Quick Start documentation and a few others which you would probably find helpful. All right, well, that's it for this lesson about downloading and installing the HY-8 Culvert Hydraulic Analysis Program.